Hi guys, this is the Tourex Explorer X SE edition. Casing wise, exactly the same as the V2. The only difference is 3-pin socket to accommodate for strobe and dimmer function, and also wire harness with dimmer dial switch. Let's demonstrate. I can't shoot it directly because my camera unable to capture, so I press it on, and this is the 900 lumen of the lowest setting. So you're gonna dial it up to 7005. It's the maximum setting, 7500 lumens, and I back down to 900 lumens. And for the strobe function, press and hold, and the first mode is the first strobe mode. Okay, and I press and hold again and change to second mode, and I press and hold again to change to the last mode, which is the slow blink, kind of like hazard light. And when I want to go back to the normal mode again, just press one and it back to 900 lumen default. It always stays at 900 lumen default, so the other road users won't get shocked by the lights. And I try again to full 7500 lumen, and this is how it looks like. In the daytime can't really see, but at night time it makes a lot of difference. Okay, that's all for Explorer SE Special Edition. I turn off, just press once and it turn off the light.